Most men in their 30s are exhausted from dating. Online apps have reduced you to metrics, your height, your job, your age. Offline, you have been told to put yourself out or join a hobby. But nobody tells you how to do that without burning out or feeling awkward. I'm Agam and I've worked with men in their late 20s and 30s on strengthening their internal foundation, mindset clarity, emotional calibration, and social presence. I don't focus on scripts or manipulation. My work centers around helping men become grounded, composed, and relationship ready through internal alignment. Through that work, I have personally observed three main shifts that consistently improve meaningful offline connection. Here are they. Shift number one, stop making finding somebody your only goal. Here is what happens when you walk into a space thinking, I need to meet someone here, your energy becomes desperate. You scan the room for potential partners, you evaluate every interaction. Women, they feel that pressure because it's not attractive. So here is a shift. Next time when you walk into spaces, do it because you genuinely want to be there, not to hunt, just to participate. If you join a book club, make sure that you actually love reading book. If you go to a cafe, make sure that you're going to a cafe because you love the coffee over there. Connection does not get formed through intention, it gets formed through presence. So next time, take your earphones off when you are out, put your phone away, make sure you have eye contact, say hello to the waiter, chat with somebody in the line. These are micro interactions that will build social ease, and ease is what will create natural connection. Shift number two, do the social version of what you already do. You don't need to become a different person. Just make sure that you are doing small environmental adjustment. So if you like coffee, go to a cafe instead of making that coffee at home. Go to the same cafe regularly. Familiarity builds natural conversation. If you work out, instead of going for a solo session, join a group class. Group environment creates organic interaction. If you like books, attend author talking about those books. Here is the key. You are not changing who you are placing yourself in environments where interaction is natural. Think about standing on the edge of a swimming pool. Getting inside feels uncomfortable initially. You hesitate, you overthink. But once you are in, you cannot imagine yourself standing out anymore. Social interaction works almost the same way. The first step is the hardest, but once you get in the rhythm, it flows. Small adjustments makes bigger impact. Shift number three, break your routine once a week. Most men lived in a closed loop. Home, workout, gym, same routine, same people, same places. You cannot meet new people in a closed system. So here is what I want you to do. Break your usual routine once a week. That's it. Accept the invitation that you are naturally saying no to from a long time. Try a new place instead of a same usual spot. Stay 10 minutes longer at the same event. This isn't about forcing yourself to be an extrovert, it is about creating spaces for randomness because meaningful connection does not get created in routines. They only happen at the moment when you least expect it. Closed system produces the same result. Open system creates possibility for you to actually meet somebody whom you never thought you will. So here is the truth. You are not going to meet someone just because you joined a hobby. You are going to meet someone because you became emotionally available during that time. You showed up with confidence, you showed up with real presence. You stopped performing and you started being extremely genuine about who you are. And that is what creates consistency. That is what creates genuine curiosity. Your confidence grows, your lives become actually interesting. Women, they do not choose you based on your resume. They choose you based on your energy, your groundedness, your presence, and your confidence. And that is what exactly builds these shifts. Now, if this resonates intellectually but feel very difficult to execute, that is deeper internal calibration work, and that is exactly what we develop inside our masculine identity protocol. We focus on mindset stability, emotional grounding, and authentic social presence. It's not about learning lines, it's becoming a man who naturally engages in confidence and speaks with clarity. You'll find the details of this program in the description below. And if you find this helpful, then please subscribe. I will share content every week on attraction, psychology, masculine development, and real world social dynamics. This is Level Up for Men. Let's build together.